Here's how I check a dishwasher to make sure everything is working. Before turning it on, I check the interior for personal items and storage. I never move personal belongings. So if the dishwasher is being used for storage, I can't really check it completely. Dishwashers used for storage often indicate operational problems. If the dishwasher is brand new and it has manufacturing documents and parts inside plastic bags inside the dishwasher, most home inspectors, like me, choose not to operate these units. It's best that the homeowner turn the dishwasher on for the first time. If the unit won't turn on, let's check the GFCI. Maybe it tripped and we'll reset it. But if it immediately trips again, this indicates an electrical problem with the appliance. If the water supply is turned off, this is an inspection restriction and I won't turn the valve on. It might be turned off because of a major plumbing leak or something, a water problem. And I don't want to cause more water problems if one exists. So first, let's test if the unit operates. Let's just turn it on. Select a cycle. Non-functioning units are defects and must be reported. If you discover active leaks during the operation of the dishwasher, immediately turn off the unit and note the leak location for your inspection report. So we'll let this run and see if it leaks. Inside the dishwasher, I want to look for rust on the surfaces and components. This indicates old age and other major problems. Then I want to check the door gasket for damage, tears, warping, and buildup. This prevents a proper seal around the door. Check the control panel, the buttons. All should be responding properly. I want to inspect the dish racks for damage, broken tines, and poor rolling action. This looks pretty good. Then I want to check the rollers of the racks. These wheels here, sometimes they're missing. Then I want to check the spray arms, see if they freely rotate and have clear holes. Then I want to check the soap dish dispenser and the lid, make sure that still works. Then I want to check the door springs for balance. At about 20 degrees, it shouldn't fall. This one does fall. It should stay up. Anywhere in this area here should open completely. So this could be adjusted a little bit. Then I want to check the dryer element. There it is there. It's in good shape. Often this is rusted completely out. Then I want to check the door latch and the disconnect function. I want to make sure that the rinse cap is secure and not damaged. I want to verify that the appliance itself is mounted to the cabinets, so when you open it, it doesn't move or shift. And then while it's washing or after it cycles through, I want to check for water leaks on the bottom and around where the connections are. I want to confirm the water supply connection to the dishwasher is the hot supply line. That's required for proper cleaning and performance. Then I want to check for proper drainage. The unit should drain completely. There shouldn't be any puddles left inside the dishwasher. You want to check the backflow prevention. There must be an air gap or a high drain loop to prevent contaminated water from the dishwasher from entering the clean water supply of your house. You don't want to drink dishwasher water, right? The discharge line must connect to a Y branch fitting, a food disposer, or a standpipe with an air brake. And so this unit here is connected to a food waste disposer, and here's the discharge line. And the drain pipe should be secured to the underside of the countertop to prevent backup. And this drain pipe is secured up here. I want to check the GFCI protection. Dishwashers require GFCI protection due to shock hazards in a wet kitchen environment like this one. All dishwashers should be on a GFCI, and it's usually an electrical GFCI breaker that's labeled in the panel board dishwasher. As a home inspector, my report will include pictures and notes about any defects that I observe during my dishwasher inspection, especially inoperative units, water leaks, drainage issues, missing backflow prevention, bad GFCI connection. These are all safety priorities that require immediate attention. Home inspectors don't measure water or heating element temperatures because we're really focused on checking the operation of the appliance and looking for indications of major defects. So before beginning the inspection, check for personal items or storage. Note if the unit is brand new with manufacturing documentation and parts in a plastic bag. Recommend the homeowner operate the unit first. Verify that the water supply valve is open. Don't turn on if it's closed. Just note the inspection restriction. Test the GFCI protection. If it immediately trips after reset, that's an electrical defect. So here's the checklist. So test the unit for operation and monitor for active water leaks. So for the interior assessment, you want to inspect the interior surfaces, the door gasket, the control panels, the dish racks, the rollers of the racks, the spray arms, make sure they rotate, and the soap dispenser. You want to check the door springs and the balance of the door. You want to check the heating element inside, inspect the door latch itself, check the rinse cap, verify secure mounting, it shouldn't move, inspect for water leaks, check for hot water connection. You want to verify backflow prevention. You want to check the drain connections and inspect the drain line securing. And you want to verify GFCI protection. Focus on operational assessment and major defect identification rather than performance measurements. And that's an inspection of a dishwasher in a kitchen.